Hi there. Thanks so much for taking the time to go through this month's newsletter. I hope you found it informative. Like those cold temperatures outside, the real estate market is also feeling a bit of a chill. What do I mean by that? Well, we've got about 50% more inventory this winter than we did last winter, and buyer demand hasn't really changed as much. So that means that we've got listings piling up, and you've got sellers that are anxious about getting back in the market. Could be tied to the election both south and north of the border. We'll see how that's going to shake out over the next couple of months. Interest rates are going to continue to drop, which will be favorable for buyers. We are still going to see, I think, a lot more listings hit the market, which may cause supply and demand to balance out, meaning modest, if flat price growth over the next couple of months. We'll have to watch and see. What does this mean for sellers? Listen, if you need to sell your property, you've got to be motivated to do so. Fix everything wrong with the house, make sure it looks great, make sure the property is staged beautifully, presented beautifully, and it's going to be priced aggressively. Standout homes are still selling and they're getting great prices, but there's plenty that are sitting on the market if buyers feel they're not showing great value. On the condo front, what are we seeing? There is a ton of condos available for sale and few buyers, especially with investors exiting the market. That means that if you're selling a condo right now, be prepared to take less than what you really want for that unit just to get it sold, because a lot of condos are not selling right now. If you're a buyer, whether it's on the condo front or the seller's front, there's not really been a better time to buy in the last probably 24 to 36 months. Right now you can negotiate really good terms for yourself, especially on the condo side. If you're looking to sell in the next couple of months, give me a call. I've got a great plan. The listing that I took last week, we sold in 5 days in a market when most houses are taking weeks to sell. And if you're on the buyer side, we can negotiate great terms that are very favorable to you and will offset those higher mortgage costs and get you a price that you're really happy with, both at the initial purchase price and on the monthly front. Take a look through the newsletter. I hope you enjoy it. We'll see you next month.